Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about synthesis of carbon nanotubes through pulsed laser technique. So the name itself suggests that some laser is involved in order to prepare the carbon nanotubes. Here, before going into the detailed process, let us look at about the first figure. See, in the figure there is a reaction chamber, and through the reaction chamber we have graphite target. Inside the reaction chamber we have a graphite target and a water cooled collector is over here. The inside graphite and water cooled chamber are covered through the furnace, and this inside one is called as a reaction chamber. And here a NdYAG laser is going to produce laser light, or is going to incident laser light on graphite target, so that the carbon atoms are going to deposit on the water cooled collector. So what is a laser? In our previous classes we have learned what is a laser. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So what does the laser means? Laser is the stimulated emission of radiation. So we have learned that there are a 3-level laser system and 4-level laser system. This NdYAG laser is a 4-level laser system. So in order, we have learned in the previous laser lesson that the 4-level laser system is more useful, and it will generate more powerful laser light. So with that powerful laser light, here we are going to use the NdYAG laser. So the importance of this laser is, since it is a 4-level laser system, it will produce the much power onto the graphite target. So we are going to use the NdYAG laser. Okay, so graphite, you know, this is the allotropy of the carbon, and in this the atoms are very strongly bonded with a covalent bond. So in order to break the covalent bond, we are going to use the powerful laser system. So we have used the powerful laser system NdYAG laser. So since it is a 4-level laser system, it will produce a laser beam with much power compared to other 3-level or 2-level laser systems. This one we know very well from laser lesson. So here what we are going to get, we are going to obtain through the figure itself we can see. Okay, we are going to obtain some carbon nanotubes from the graphite target. When they will obtain? When the NdYAG laser is incident on the graphite target, then the carbon atoms which are having covalent bond with the neighboring carbon atoms, they will break the bond and the carbon atoms are released. The released out carbon atoms are sent through the sent onto the water cooled collector. There on the water cooled collector, they are going to collect like tubes, hollow tubes. So this is the way we are going to get the carbon nanotubes. A furnace is there to produce the heating effect. Okay, so that with the it is producing heating effect. Furnace is the producing heating effect. So that with that heater and with the laser light, we are the total process will be under water cooled collector, so that the water cooled collector will collect the carbon nanotubes. Okay, this way the carbon nanotubes are prepared by laser ablation method. Going in detail about the method,